this video, I'll guide you on how to register for a BindBit exchange account. First, click the link in the description below this video. You'll be taken to this page where you can get a sign-up bonus of up to $30,000 depending on your initial deposit. Simply enter your email, password or phone number to register. After registering, you'll see this interface. To verify your account, click Verify Now, select your country, agree to the terms and click Continue. Then click here to start the verification process. Next, click on the Account section, then Security. Set up Google Authenticator to better protect your account. I've already enabled it. Now download the Google Authenticator app. Find this app on Google Play, click Install and follow the BindBit platform instructions. After securing your account, tap the Buy section to deposit funds. You can deposit via B2B transactions, which are person to person. You transfer money and they'll add USDT to your account. Just click Buy here and you'll see the trading section. You can trade spot to hold crypto or futures for leverage. If you're new, try the trading board or copy trading features. Let's start with the trading board. Here you'll set up trading bots to trade for you. Just follow the bot's instructions. For example, to trade futures, choose the market direction like sideways, select BTC coin, click X, and it'll set up for you. Or use copy trading below. You can copy other traders. Just choose a good trader, click copy, then enter the amount you want to copy. Click copy now, enter 200 and copy. Don't forget to click the link below to register a new BindBit account for the best bonus.